Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
You got your driver's license there?
Yeah.
Good. Gives it here. There you go.
It's recording, huh?
Hmm?
Recording?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Right, get yourself ready.
Yep.
What's that? Just put that in here, I don't need that.
Oh, okay.
Just... Right, tell him your name.
My name is Faiq Ali Anjum.
Faiq. Yeah?
Faiq Ali.
He's got his driving test first attempt. He's very, very good driver actually. He's from Pakistan, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm from
He's
Pakistan.
one of the best ones I've seen from there, bud. He had a lesson the other day and he tried to blow the red lights, didn't you? Yeah? Right, when you get in the car with the examiner, put that in there for us.
Okay.
You got that? Right, go on then, off you go. Have any questions?
No.
Sure?
Hope we do rest.
When you're ready. You want to go drive for this out, yeah? Right, now do your parallel park on this car. Do just stop. Just stop. No, stop. Soon as you straighten up, just stop. No, just stop. As soon as you straighten the car up, stop. That was a very good stand. That well done. But as soon as you straighten up, just stop the car. Don't keep reversing back. Have you got that?
Yep.
So what have you gone forward for?
Yourselves.
As soon as you straighten the wheels, just stop the car. Very good stand at drive on when you're ready. Very impressive. Can you reverse into one of those bays here, look?
Yep.
Just reverse into one of these, that's it. Wow. Again, very, very impressive. Well done. Oh, when you stop, look. Not there. Stop. There. Stop a meter back.
Close to this junction?
Yeah? Yes.
We won't close this junction.
You know, you need to stop a meter back from the centre of the road. You stop.
Perfect, I understand.
You stop there, look, and you're not doing swan necks.
I know.
Yeah?
I know.
So when you know you can't go, look for the centre road and stop a meter back. This, very, very impressive, yeah?
Sure.
Very impressive.
Thank you.
Do better than what I can do it, yeah? Right, driving when you're ready. Well, well, well. We're at the test centre with Faiq'S. He's drove really smooth. It's been a good drive. He's picked a few driver faults up. What were the for? No idea.
The junction near.
Pulling too close to junctions. Driving a bit slow when he's pulling out at junctions like an old granny. Just do what you normally do, yeah? And minor fault for getting a bit close to the centre road down there, normal drive position. But he's at a very, very high standard. He should be passing with no more than a couple of driver faults. But these are the ones that normally fail.
Best of luck for me.
One of the best I've seen from Pakistan. I've seen a lot of guys from Pakistan over the years, and he's one of the best I've seen. He's very knowledgeable, and he has good road awareness, so hopefully he'll get a first time pass. Have you any questions before we turn this off?
No questions. He's a very good instructor.
Never mind that rubbish.
No, really, he's a very good instructor.
Give me a prediction. How many faults?
It's how many faults? Driving faults, right?
Yes, today.
I might be 6, 5, 6.
6. Dear me. we're going to go for 2 if he concentrates. Yeah, 1 or 2 faults I'm going for. Yeah. Right. I'm going to wish him the very, very best.
But I'm confident that I will not do any faults.
Good. Well,
I will try my best.
Excellent.
My driving license is here.
He will say, "Do you want your trainer to come with you?"
Yep.
Say no.
Okay.
Say, "Do you want him there at the end?" Say yes. Have you got that? I want to hear the debrief at the end.
Okay.
Done.
Oh, I never did a mistake. I've told you that I will clear without any fault. I will take care. When I signal, the same behind me, the Audi one, he's talking about one minor fault.
Yeah.
Suddenly he also signaled that same time.
Yeah.
He also came there. Then he dipped me to go move on.
Right.
That's the fault only one I had.
Right. Well, we're back off test. Tell him what you've done.
Yeah, I'm just telling my mother. She was calling me again and again.
Tell him what you've done.
Yeah, I got passed.
How many faults?
Only 1, mate. Anji Mama Ji Mubarak ho, I got passed. Okay. Thank you, Allah. She's my mother. She's very happy now.
Good. Well,
It's my certificate and I passed.
show your video, yeah?
Yeah. Just tell me your page name, YouTube channel name, mate.
Sorry?
Your channel name on YouTube?
Bradley's Driving School.
Okay.
I'll be putting a little video of you on there.
Bradley.